This video will demonstrate the replacement of a damaged circuit trace using copper replacement trace, tweezers, X-Acto knife, and polyimide tape. Begin by removing any damaged section of the circuit trace. Notice that your instructor is cutting in toward the center of the damaged area with the X-Acto knife. The angle will make attaching the replacement trace easier. Remove the damaged portion of the circuit trace with the tweezers. Remove the solder mask from approximately 2 millimeters of the remaining trace. This section of scraped trace will be used to solder in the replacement circuit trace. Turn the circuit board and remove the solder mask from the other side of the remaining circuit trace. Clean the area with a lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol. Select a strip of copper to use as a replacement circuit trace. The replacement trace should be as close as possible to the original size of the circuit. Note that your instructor is using an X-Acto knife to gently mark the length of the circuit. Remove the circuit trace to a hard surface to cut out the necessary circuit replacement. Flux and tin the scraped areas of the remaining circuit trace. Remove any excess solder using solder wick. Clean the area with a stiff bristled brush and isopropyl alcohol. Wipe the area dry with a lint-free cloth. Use a piece of polyimide tape to assist in aligning the replacement trace with the original remaining trace. Flux and solder the replacement trace into position. Ensure that the solder joint is flat to the board. Once again, use a stiff bristled brush and isopropyl alcohol to gently scrub the area clean. Remove the polyimide tape and wipe the area dry with a lint-free cloth. Apply epoxy in sufficient amount to encapsulate and cover all sides of the replacement trace. Install a clamp over the trace to hold it flat to the circuit board during curing. Cure the epoxy according to the manufacturer's instructions. Your instructor is using a small scraper to remove any bumps or uneven spots on the circuit trace. Clean the area with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. This circuit replacement is now complete.